Tukiuma Kirinyaga tuigire thingiraini wa iregi President William Ruto ni ekirite Kĩrore mawatho matatũ maria mahitukitio ni bunge ya kĩbũrũri hamwe na bunge ya Senate. Gatagati ka mawatho maya ni watho mweru wa kuramata thuguri ya ũrĩmi na wendia wa kahũa bũrũri-inĩ uria wendekithirio ni Senator wa Kirinyaga Kamau Mũrango. Mawatho mangĩ ni watho mweru uria ũrabunja rũhonge rwa ũrathi wa rĩera bũrũri-inĩ na guthugunda rũhonge rweru ruria rũrĩkũrĩkanaga ta Kenya Meteorological Services Authority. Watho wa gatatu ni wa kuramata kĩgĩna kĩerũ hamwe na bodi njerũ ya kuramata kĩgĩna kĩrĩa kĩrĩũnganagio gĩa kwagĩrithia motungata ma ũkui wa reri bũrũri-inĩ.
In which the bill originated, being the Senate. Your Excellency, the second bill is a coffee bill, which was originally a bill that started in the year 2023. Your Excellency, the journey of this bill started in the Senate. The bill was introduced in the Senate as a majority party bill, and it was passed in the Senate in the year 2024. It came to the National Assembly towards the end of that year. It went through the motions in the National Assembly. The National Assembly passed it with amendments, sent it to the Senate. The Senate passed most of the National Assembly's amendments, disagreed on some, committing the bill to a mediation process. The Speakers of Houses of Parliament appointed a mediation committee to mediate on the bill. The bill was finally passed. The mediated version of the bill was finally passed by both houses, Your Excellency, at the beginning of this year. This bill, Your Excellency, is intended to revolutionize the coffee industry and take it to a place better than where it is currently. The bill removes the function of promotion, production, development, and marketing of coffee from the Agriculture and Food Authority to the new entity, the Coffee Board. The bill, Your Excellency, also reestablishes the Coffee Research Foundation, whose function is currently being undertaken by an institute under Carlo.
Mũmbunge wa gĩcigo gĩa Kuresoi ya